I think it, it becomes reality. Complicated calculation casually. Arithmetic moving mathematically, actually, factually. All facts, fact factory. Book for book, go match with me. Melanin, Christ complex anatomy. Biology, molecules, atoms stacking me. Architect of my galaxy, black tapestry.
Stop saying nigga and start saying nature. Stop saying nigga and start saying nature.
The molecules collide, I'm the lab and the test. Alchemy in my chest, lungs pumping the bless. Go blood in my veins, my ancestors invest. Ciphers in my DNA, hieroglyphics compressed. From the dirt of the Nile, now I walk with finesse. God body no less, I confess, I'm possessed. Build a temple in the mind, every thought manifests. They oppress but can't suppress when the soul's in the quest.
Stop saying nigga and start saying nature. Stop saying nigga and start saying nature.
Morph syllables, forge miracles, pour spirituals, inner visuals of principles invincible. From the pyramids to digital, cyclical. Resurrect the original, habitual. Turn my pain into rituals, habitual. The soul of the soil, the visible.
Stop saying nigga and start saying nature. Stop saying nigga and start saying nature.